Hi, welcome to nepinsights. Windows 11 is pretty cool with its new design and interface, but if you ask me, I am not very satisfied with the new context menu. It definitely is cool looking and minimal, but in terms of productivity and ease, I'd prefer the old one. I was pretty used to refreshing File Explorer frequently, but it is not even there now. I have to do the extra steps to do the same thing. And context menu options of third-party apps like 𝗏𝗏 was so convenient to me, but it is not that easy now. So in this video, we'll learn how to use old context menu in Windows 11. But with round corners and new design, old one still looks better. First, open the terminal in your PC and open command prompt. Then copy the command which I'll provide in the description box and paste it in there. Then hit enter and that's it. Just restart your PC and you'll have your old context menu in Windows 11. If you wanted to use new context menu again, just copy another command from description box and paste. Then enter and restart your PC. You will have the default context menu of Windows 11. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it and would really appreciate your support. Thank you and see you in another video.